Hello everyone and welcome back again. It's just going to be a quick video today. So I've just finished planting up some of the potatoes that I already have going in the smaller pots, and I was thinking to maximise what I'm getting out of these containers, I'm going to have a go at planting an onion in each pot next to them. They grow well together. I've never tried it before, so just thought I'd give it a go, and got spare onions and there's room in the pot, so why not? So these are the Medrins of Anglesey Expedition onions. These are what are left over, and I'm just going to dig a small hole, add some mycorrhizal fungi and plant the onion in there. Oh mate. No, you don't want that.
I want it.
You don't want that. That's Echi. Check there then. Where's your ball? Go get your ball.
No.
Yeah, go get your ball. So I'm just going to dig a small hole at the side of the pot. As you can see, quite nice healthy roots on these. And just give them light dusting and put a little bit in the hole. Put that in there on the side. And it's got a good 1.5 to 2 inches on the edge and plenty of space in the middle. But I don't have to wait for these to grow to full size to harvest them. I can pick them as and when I want them. So I've done that in all these pots so far, and I've still got a few left over there, and I might do it with the rest of the potatoes as we plant them. So as you can see, I've done that with all of these. Each one's got one in there. Not sure how they'll do, but it's better than wasting them, and saves on space, and getting a little something extra out of each bucket as well. Right then guys, so that's going to be it for this one today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.